What is the wheel of samsara? Actually, this is a drawing, a painting. There is a story behind it. During Buddha's time, the king of Magadha, where Buddha lived, was good friend of another kingdom or another king called Uttarayana. And they used to send gifts to each other. And it became like a competition. And one day, the king of Uttarayana sent such a wonderful gift to the king of Magadha that it became a problem. He didn't know how to send, what to send in reply, which was better than that. And he asked all his advisors and ministers, but nobody could think something better than that. Then some of them said, why don't you go to Buddha? Because he lives in your country and he is one of the wisest men. So he went to see Buddha and told his problem. So Buddha asked him to make a painting, a drawing of the wheel of life or wheel of samsara. So there is a kind of a wheel. At the center of it is three animals, a pig, a bird, and a snake, to represent three main, what we call the negative state of mind: ignorance, aversion, attachment. And around that, then there is a circle again, where some people go up and some people fall down. So to denote that if you do wholesome deeds, you go up. If you do unwholesome deeds, you go down. After that, then the 6 realms, Helldom, Hungry Ghost realm, Animal realm, Human realm, and Demigod's realm and God's realm. It is said that if you do, kind of depicting 6 negative emotions mainly. Helldom, if you have too much anger and hatred, then, or too much negativity, then too much desire and too much greed, hunger goes, too much ignorance, animal, too much desire, then human realm, jealousy, demigod's realm, pride, God's realm. And after that, then 12 link dependent origination, how the samsara happens, how. And then that whole thing is in the hands of the Yamaraja, the Lord of Death. And then there's an image of Buddha on the right side, and Buddha is kind of pointing his finger to the moon, meaning that as long as you are under the under negative emotions, and if you have ignorance, aversion, attachment, and then you will go sometimes better and sometimes worse, but you will be in the samsara. But there is a way out, and that's shown by the Buddha. So this painting they made, and then Buddha asked him to send it to his friend, the king, and he did that, and then with some explanation, and this king was so happy, so it was so meaningful that he had to come and meet his friend and meet the Buddha, and then became his students, and everything went very well. Since then, Buddha asked all the Buddhist monasteries to make this drawing at the gate of all the temples to remind people, what is what and what to do, and all these kind of things. So this is Wheel of Life. It explains the samsara, and also explains the possibility to free oneself from that.